A weight discrepancy is raised by the courier when the dead weight and/or volumetric weight entered by you is claimed to be lower than the actual weight of the shipment. To access the weight discrepancy panel, go to Weight Management, Weight Discrepancy. You can see all the weight discrepancies raised by the courier in the Weight Discrepancy tab. On this page, you can see all the details of the discrepancies, like the shipment details, weights entered by you, weights reported by the courier, the charged weight, and the excess charge. On this page, you can accept the excess weight discrepancy charged by the courier by clicking on Accept Discrepancy, or raise a dispute against the courier by clicking on Raise Dispute if you think the weight entered by you is correct. To raise a dispute, click on Raise Dispute. Enter the product category and product URL. Upload proper images of the package, clearly showing the dimensions and weight of the package as instructed to validate the dispute, and click on Submit. Our operations team will review the request and work on resolving the dispute. Once a weight discrepancy is raised, you have 7 working days to take an action. Post that, the discrepancy will be auto-accepted and you will be charged based on the courier-reported weight. You can also download a report of the weight discrepancies by clicking on the Download Report button.